Alright, today's going to be a real quick video. So this little roof used to be an asphalt shingle roof, and when I was tearing off all the shingles to get it ready for metal, I had to tear off some of the siding on this wall. And that's because I got a really bad leak right here on each side of the roof. And that's because the first piece of flashing here was tucked behind this wall panel. And so when it would rain really hard, water would run down and go behind the wall panel on the inside of the barn and get everything wet. And it ended up rotting some of the framing members down there that we had to replace. And that happened on both sides of the roof. And believe it or not, I actually see a lot of pole barn metal done that way, and they're just relying on a little bit of caulk right there to prevent it from leaking. Well, that's not the best way to do things, in my opinion. The best thing to do is to cut a vertical slit right there in your wall panel and then slide your panel up so that when water comes down, it's going to drain on the outside of the barn, not the inside of the barn. And then just put a little bit of caulk up around the edge and you're good to go. And you can actually do this with asphalt shingles as well. Just cut a vertical slot right where your first piece of flashing is going to go, and then flash the rest just like you normally would. And if you're doing a metal roof, it's really easy because all I did was take the roof panel and bend a 90-degree angle and put it up behind the siding. So I didn't need to buy any special trim pieces to complete the job. Now, I would have recorded myself doing the job, however my camera died and I needed to get it done. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.